Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be learning how to edit a video using Vllo. And of course, if you're new here, you're so welcome to the channel. You're welcome to another tutorial. This is the point where you subscribe, you like, comment, and share to someone. And of course, you have to get your Vllo app first. I have it already, so it's showing on my app to update. But I don't want to do that now. So you just open your Vllo app, tap on new project, then you select the videos that you like to use. It's advisable to select the video according to how you want it placed in the editor. Otherwise, you can select in any order and then later arrange it. But I don't want that work, so I'm going to select it in the order. So I have to go up here, choose a video, and then come down again to choose the last video, which is my outro. So then you tap on the arrow, and then it takes you to the page where you can select the options. Every video has a dimension, so here I'm going to use 16:9 because that's the dimension for a YouTube video. So there's the Instagram reel option for you, there's the Instagram video option for you, and there's also a fill and fit for you. And then you can have the title, you can title your video so you don't forget if you're making a lot of videos. When you want to edit a particular scene, you just tap on it and then you edit it. So here I have moved it from fill to fit, and then that's where you can change the background. Sometimes you want background for your video, so you just make it a fit, and then there's space around it where you can change the background colors. So I'll check quickly if all the videos that I selected are in here or if I missed any of them. They're all in here, so we'll just go ahead and edit. I do not want this video too long, so I'm going to drag each video that I place inside and cut them and make sure they are very short. So you just tap on the particular video that you want to edit. You just pull from the bottom, as you can see using the arrow at the bottom. So you tap on it and pull the arrow at the bottom, and then it reduces it for you, or you can open it up. Another way that you can cut the videos is to use the split button or use the until now or from now button. Just use the editors down there and it's going to also help you cut. So I'll change the background color of this blank sheet that I used. I'll change it to white. So I'm going to now work on the transitions, and I think I'm going to use the fade white for now. There are several transitions that you can use, but most of them are paid, or just use the free versions. Anyone that you see with a key is not free, it's a paid version. Then you can also increase the volume as you go along. So you just tap on volume down here and then you just select. Now I'm going to go down here to the editors down here and select graphic and try and add a sticker. Rather I'll add a text. So the stickers cannot be edited, but then the text can be edited. So some stickers might be nice for you, but you cannot edit it, so that's the downside to it. Just tap on the text and then you choose the one that you want, and then you edit the text that is there, or the writing, and write anything that you want. You can also change the font of the text if you do not like, and you can change the format. The format gives you all the other editors, as you can see from here: the background, the outline, the shadow, whether italic, bold. So here I'm going to do something with the effects. I'm going to make it a bit different, so I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to do something about the shadows, maybe have a little bit more shadows. So it says intensity, so I'm going to just play around with it. And from here I'm going to do the animation for how the text should come in and out. So you just choose any of them that you want. I'm going to also add the text over here, so I'll choose this right up. I'm just going to edit it a bit, change the words, and then pull it to make sure it's lying on the video as I want it, which shouldn't overlap to the other video. I'm going to change the outline, and then I'm going to, I think, remove the shadow. When the transitions are too much, sometimes it makes the video a bit too much, so I'm just going to leave some of the scenes without transitions, and I'm going to copy this first slide into the middle because I want to write something in the middle. So I'll duplicate the text and just move it over because I don't want to go there again, go and select text. So when you don't want to do so much work, you have to just duplicate that scene and then just edit that scene. That's it. I'm going to do, I've duplicated it already. I'm just going to tap on it and then change the writing to what I want. If you want to change the colors or anything about this, you can just change it. I'm going to use some stickers over here, but first off I have to add a scene. So you tap on the video that you want the scene to be in front of, and then you just click on the plus button, and then you just add a blank sheet, and then you can add your sticker. Now I'm going to add a background music, so I'll go to audio and I'll choose BGM, which starts from background music, and choose any background music that I want. There are also other sound effects and also voiceover. When it comes to the voiceover, you have to make sure the recorder has started recording before you start speaking. I'm not going to use voiceover, so I'm just trying it and I'm going to delete it. Yeah, you can also do the fade in, like when the song is coming in, it's going to like come from the low tone and not just come in straight high tone, and when it's closing, it's going to close on the low tone. That makes it really nice. So, and then you can also change the speed of the song. Some songs are too slow and you want to make it faster, some songs are too fast, you want to make it slower. So I'm done editing. I'm going to export. You click on the export button on the top and it takes you to the various resolutions, and I advise you use the best resolution, the best frame rate. So the higher the frame rate, the higher the resolution, the higher the quality of the video produced. And then it takes more space when you do the highest quality or the best quality, so you have to make sure you have enough space for that. And there's a video codec and then the alarm that gives you the reminder that the video is done exporting. And when the video is exporting, you don't have to close the Vllo page, you have to be on that page until it's done exporting. And when it's done exporting, it saves to your camera roll. This is, I did the best quality. I'm going to do also the lowest quality just so you can see the difference. Because it's a free version, sometimes when you are going to export your videos, an ad will start playing. You just have to relax for the ad to finish playing, because once the ad is playing, the video is still exporting and your time is not actually wasted. If you're interested in the paid version or the premium version, here are the prices that you can look into. So this is the final work. This is the low quality and this is the best quality. So you choose for yourself what you want. So thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. It's lovely always having you on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you guys in another video. Love, peace, enjoy. Bye.